Hello and welcome back to my channel. If we haven't met before, my name is Danielle. Most of my videos focus on hair and makeup and those kind of things. So today I'm finally dipping into the makeup side that you guys haven't seen from me before. So a friend of mine inspired me. She did her own lash extensions and they looked phenomenal. And so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try this. So I've tried something similar in the past and it didn't work out so well. So I asked my husband, he was on his way out. As you guys know, there's this whole quarantine situation. People are ordered to stay at home. In the state that I live in, we haven't been ordered to stay at home yet. It's been recommended to us. So he had to go out for groceries and things. So I asked him to pick something up for me so I could stay home here with my baby. And that was the Lash Couture False Lash Extension. So this is part of it. Let me see. Okay, here's the rest. I've already ripped and torn into this and used it, so you'll see. This is their 3D DIY faux lash extensions kit. So this is the kit, and then once you buy the kit, you can just get the refills. Or you can just buy these individually and use them with your regular lash glue. So yeah. In this kit, you'll find the lash tweezers, which look like this. Very sharp and pointy, so be careful. A regular little spoolie, and then you'll get black lash glue and white lash remover. So the glue, I don't know if they actually have, I don't know if you can just buy this with like white glue or clear glue or not, but honestly I was so intimidated by the black glue. Trust me, you won't really notice it. They look so natural. Yes, I just did these myself. No, I'm not a professional. I did go to beauty school, but I didn't graduate. So anyway, I'm not a professional. So this was just me trying it myself. So I think, again, they turned out so good. The normal lashes I wear are big and voluminous and just crazy almost, but I love them. But lately I've been trying to do a no makeup look or just wear no makeup. So this week I'm going to wear these lashes. I'm going to try not to wear any other makeup except my brows. Today I went ahead and did my regular full glam kind of thing so you guys could see it all together, but moving forward I'm going to try to only do brows and maybe just some minimal stuff. So I haven't done any eyeshadow today because I didn't want to interfere. So yeah, if you are interested in trying these, if you want to see how they look first, this is how they look. I'm going to show you how I apply them and we'll go ahead. So keep watching. This is got everything you need in it. It's supposed to be everything you need, which is good because I don't really have anything else. I did go ahead and get an extra set of just the lashes. So this is like the kit with the glue and remover, and then this is the lashes by themselves. That way, like, you're not using that much glue, so you don't need to keep buying this whole kit. You can just get the lashes if it works and I get it again. So this comes with a spoolie, some nice tweezers, like lash tweezers. They have that curve shape. Also very sharp. Like, I don't know if you can tell, these are sharp. I'm concerned about putting this near my eye. So it comes with a spoolie. It's got little holes for some glue, so you can go ahead and put glue in there. And the glue that I got is black. This was not intentional. I actually had my husband go pick these up. It doesn't actually really indicate on the box what color the glue is. I don't know if they're all black or what, but it's a little concerning. So I've done individual lashes before. I've kind of done this cluster lash thing before, just not with like the whole kit. And my preferred method of doing this is going from underneath and kind of applying underneath. Look at that, I like barely have any lashes. Oh. So applying from underneath, and that gives me the most natural look. My whole purpose in doing this is so I can go makeup free for the next week or so at work. And so obviously I'll do my brows because they're sparse. But lashes is one thing I was like, I mean, I went without on Saturday. It was the first time some of my coworkers have seen me without any makeup on. But I wanted to do lashes just to kind of boost my own confidence and make me feel more comfortable. So I'm trying to give my skin some time to heal. I have a lot of stuff going on, so this is kind of what I'm doing. You'll see this mirror. It's from an old Lorac palette. And then I'm going to use my lash curler real quick to curl my lashes up. All right. So let's just do it. I'm a little scared, but it's okay. So I'm gonna put a smidge bit of glue. Oh, this smells strong. And it's kind of sticky. I just want to show you that like string here that's from the glue, so it's kind of sticky, and that makes me think it's going to dry quick, so I'm only going to use little bits at a time. Okay, I guess I'm going to start with a short one. No, put that back. Nope, we're going to start with the medium one, so I can start on my outer edge. So I'm going to hold these upside down for a second so I can apply a little glue. You can't even tell, it's just such a tiny amount. One down. Never mind. Okay. That's much better. All right, 2 down. They're way smaller than my lashes that I normally wear. This is what I would normally wear every day. Like a before and after. Anyway. I'm scared to do the other side. But let's get it. Starting from the middle is the best idea ever. Oh, that burns. These look really nice. So I actually used a lot of these. There's still a whole row of short left, and then a little over half a row here. All of this medium is gone. There's still a few medium left. There would be 4, well really there would be 3, because this is like ended up being like a half one. But there's still enough of a cluster there that I'm gonna keep it because I can still fill it in somewhere if I need to. This is what they look like up close. This is the only thing that's bugging me. If you can see, there's like a lash that's really curled down. But yeah, this is what they look like underneath, and then underneath here. So yeah, they're probably more full on this side than this side, but not bad. Not bad of a difference. Backed up. The only thing I think I'll do is maybe add, like, double up on the edges. Let me just do that real quick. Maybe. Okay. Felt like I had a little hole on that side, so I kind of added another one. These look really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows and just kind of show you what this will look like. I guess with brows on, it might look different. Okay, so brows are done. So this is kind of the look I'm gonna try to do for the rest of the week. I don't know if it's gonna happen. I don't like going out without makeup on. It's just an insecurity of mine. So, but the point of doing it was so I wouldn't have to do my lashes or just do, you know, so these lashes are everything. They look so natural because I don't have very good natural lashes, so this is perfect. So I thought for the video I'm gonna go ahead and do my full face just so you guys can see what it will look like kind of all put together, but this looks so natural that you could just leave it like this. But let's go ahead and do a face. I chose to do this on a day that my skin is just not the best, and I was kind of rushing through just so you guys could see how these lashes look with a full face, but they look so natural. I mean, I think if I got on camera and I was talking to y'all, you might not even know that these were falsies, so that's good. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna wear these lashes for a few days and just kind of see what happens. I'm hoping that I can wash my face and do my regular stuff with them on. I'm not really sure what that's going to look like, so I'm a little concerned. I'm going to try not to wear too much makeup this week. I'm going to try not to wear too much eyeshadow. That way I don't have to really mess with my eyes too much with these. But then maybe towards the end of the week, I'll start to do those things and see how they hold up. I'm not really sure how that's gonna work, but we'll see. All right, you guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it helps you, and I hope that you go out and try these lashes. So don't be intimidated. I mean, I just think they look so good for like natural looking lashes. If I could find this set, now I got this replacement for I got the refill pack, I guess is what I've been calling it. Not really a refill pack, but just, just lashes. But my husband said he couldn't find them in long because that's what I normally like. So it's just short and medium again, which is what the regular whole kit comes with. So that's kind of my only like downside. Maybe I can look online and see if I can find like a long version of that. But so far we've only found short and medium. So we'll see. But I'm going to let you guys know hopefully how they wear. I think these are going to last for a few days. I'll probably have to adjust how I sleep because I sleep on my stomach. But I'm hoping if nothing else, it gives me the confidence to go out with just brows and lashes. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think. If you have any things that you want to recommend, if you have another lash kit similar that you like that I can try to kind of see which one I like better, I would appreciate it. So until next time, bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.